Hello everyone, welcome to So Dramatic. Today we're going to look at a coat that I made last winter for the spring and fall and some of the points that I went through when constructing it. This is the initial sketch with gores. I was looking for a close-fitting bodice and a wide A-line skirt with gores that would flare out while I walked, and this turned out to be a perfect fit. I didn't film everything, but I will share some of it with you. I made shoulder pleats for this because I think they're gorgeous and I like them so much. Here you can see the inside skull gore. I chose this fabric for this because it was rainbow with some line art butterflies and had that 70s sort of popping lights going on it, and I thought it was just the best thing ever. Also, this gore has a hidden pocket. I wanted it to have pockets because coats with pockets are the best, and I really wanted the pocket to be fully hidden and a secret pocket. The inside liner is made from two different types of skull fabrics. One is cotton and one is flannel. The flannel goes in around the back so it can hug my kidneys and be nice and warm in cool weather. I also lined the inside of the collar with the bright skull fabric that looks quite fun, and I used a mandarin collar because I really liked the shape and it was easy to draft. Once I'd made the main body of the outfit, here is a test that I shot. I was ready to start mocking up the sleeves. The sleeves are an interesting accessory because I needed to exaggerate the line over the shoulder in order to get the pleat I wanted and add volume. I've got the sleeve made. All right, well, while it technically does fit, I want more ruffle up here and maybe like there for the sleeve. Can I get in and out? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna make that adjustment. So the liner torso pieces are just on the front leading edge where the fabric folds out. If the coat is a little bit open, will be this, same as the gores. The rest of the inside piece is going to be this fabric. It's a flannel and it'll be really warm. I'm making this coat for kind of fall, spring, and maybe some other times, but I'm intending it to be warm because my back and shoulders, particularly in my lower back around my liver, get very, very cold. So I want to be warm, but I don't want the coat to be too bulky. And I want the gores of the outside skirt to flap in the breeze like a female Clint Eastwood. So that's why I don't want the liner to be too long because it's quite heavy. So I used this piece to make a second pattern piece and folded the button flange in and created a line 10 inches up from the edge for the liner because I want the liner to be shorter than the outside skirt of the coat. So here is the finished piece. All right, so this is all pinned along the princess edge right here and down where the Y yoke is and the gore. I've snipped that in a 1/4 inch right there. See it? So that this spreads nicely. And then I'll come down and sew right there and there. And then this part is free to get sewn right there. And it'll open up like a Y. These Y seams require quite a bit of patience and precision. I've been doing this a long time, so I'm pretty good at it, and I really enjoy this part of the process. There it is, all opened up and ironed out. And it looks fantastic. And on the other side, you can see that it looks awesome too. I am going to have to iron that down a little bit more, but that's not such a big deal. And over here, I've used a dressmaker's ham to iron it by placing this over there like that and ironing out the curve in the breast. Once all 6 gores were sewn in and ironed flat and all the top stitching was done, it was time to make the bias tape that would finish off the inside hem of the entire jacket and the inside sleeves. So this is the bias tape that I made as a facing for the jacket that I'm working on. So this is going to go on the inside of the coat like that, and then this part will be hand stitched and gathered to the inside of the coat for a seamless look. I'm doing it this way rather than turning up the edge because it ends up being much cleaner and crisper this way. Well, I have the whole thing pinned up. It looks pretty amazing. When I have the tails all draped over the ironing board, it looks pretty unbelievable. So now what I'm going to do is hand stitch all of this to that in a way that is seamless. The hand stitching worked out very well. You can see it right there. And how the bias just lines up with the rest of the coat. I like it so much. Here is the inside sleeve, looking fine with the sleeve liner. This is gorgeous. Thank you all for joining me on my journey and to have a quick peek into looking at how this coat was made very briefly. And there it is, the inside liner pieces. It's so warm when I wear it when it's cold out. I love this so much. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!